morning, y'all. We are heading to the car wash. I'm going to a chef center, and I also just don't want to pull up with my car looking greasy. I'm gonna attempt a quick weave. Yeah.
I'm running a brand new promotion right now. For $21, you can go unlimited. You can come 3 times a day, wash every day all month.
So if I got the plan,
you can come like 3 times a day every day. So it's super worth it.
Yeah. Yay. I'm gonna do a vacuum because I don't need it, and I really need to. I'm like so behind on my hair, so let's go home. Oh my god, I'm like running so late, and don't mind. A little piece hanging in the back. The quick weave came out so nice, like so flat. The color I got was I think 16613, and then a 8, like shade 8. I just blended them both together, and this color is elite. So I'm just trying to hurry up because I really hate being late. So I left like the perimeter out, you know, make sure I at least get the foundation, and then I'll curl it a little later. And I'm sweating, so it's like I straighten and then it reverts, and I straighten and it reverts. And I also am not trying to get heat damage, so I gotta be careful. For the love of God. Just packed my makeup. I need to go bum spray. Isn't this set so cute? It's Lululemon. It's my favorite color. Like, I love lavender. Okay, we gotta go. Try to fit everything in this Brandon Blackwell bag. I love it, but I feel like I might have overdid. And I've still got more outfits. Like, no, girl, you're done. This is the room. If it's a little food tray, I gotta open it. Some wine, Pinot, and there's a Peloton. The golf view. That. So we're gonna explore later.
There's the bathroom there. You can go in there.
18 holes on this?
Yep. Yeah, that's McCormick Ranch Park, McCormick Ranch Golf Course.
So I packed in a rush and completely forgot a brush. So the good part is I don't have a lot of leave out. The bad part is that I don't have a brush. I don't have a comb. I only have a curling iron. It has a clamp. So I'm just gonna try to figure that out with the clamp. The clamp helps because the clamp will help to like, versus like if it's just I guess I could sleek it. That's the good thing about a quick weave though. Like, look how flat. And like the color, the blend. Oh my God, I'm gagged. Like, the color and the blend just do so much for me. Like, this is my hair color. Like, you cannot tell me. Perfect amount of warmth, perfect amount of ash, highlights. Like, you cannot tell me this is not my hairstyle. I may end up like cutting it a little bit later, just like a little choppy. I don't know, but this color eats. So it came together. I used the curling iron, the clamp to really clamp it. And then I took some of my little Caudalie, it's like a face or like a hair and body oil to smooth it. And look, see, we made it work. No brush, we made it work. So we're gonna head to dinner because we're late. So pretty. Oh wow, thank you. My room matching, oh Lord. Oh, it's very different. boutonniere, very mindful. Yeah, see?
Wait, are these actually the
Yeah, those are the coins. So you're supposed to take.
drinks?
He said so many free drinks.
Yo, you could
There were.
20
You're the
drinks
one who
right
told
there. What do
me.
you mean?
You said throw your wish in the fountain, and I said, what do you mean? That's a free.
We could have a night. We could have a night, bro.
So he's saying if we steal the coins, we can have free drinks. I think I'm gonna do that. Those are people's wishes and karma.
Oh, wait. You're right.
Hello, good morning. So I'm heading to the pool. Last night was crazy. We had 5 pairings of champagne and then 2 espresso martinis and a glass of wine. When I tell you, I'm not that well. I'm not doing super well. So we're gonna go to the pool, get some vitamin D. I forgot body sunscreen, and I'm sure they have it, but you know, like when you're at a resort, they're gonna charge you like $80 for everything. So I have this Tula, which I actually really love this. It's like very well used and loved, but it's not necessarily for your body. But you know what? I have 2 of them, so I'm just gonna use this one. Like, I'm just gonna use this whole tube, and then it is what it is. This is Arizona sun. You don't play around with that because the sun hits very different here and you will burn. So just to be very mindful. Oh my God, Ty just texted me. He's shooting right now. He's like like a practice, but you know, he's like shooting right now. He just texted me and said, I'm still drunk. There's no way. I could barely peel myself to eat breakfast, let alone go shoot. I guess ball is life. And then for my face, we'll do the iris. And this also gives you like a nice glow. So like it comes out like this color, and this is just the color it is. Yeah, it's not like, it's like universal. I like it because it doesn't leave a cast, and it gives you just like a really good glow. SPF 50. So kind of just, you know. What else? That's it. We're ready. Okay, I'm trying to get the full outfit so you can see. It's a Brandon Blackwood. Yeah, I'm trying to show you guys, not flash you. And then it's a thong. Sorry, a little too cheeky for me. I'm gonna keep this on. Typically, I would never just keep this on because like this tan is gonna be atrocious. But at the same time, like, I'm not gonna have bare thong in a family-friendly resort. I think that's not very mindful, not very cutesy, not very... See, I don't have headphones. I'm just gonna have to rock it. Phone is, like, my phone's dying. No headphones. What a waste. I'm leaving. So nice out here. It's a cool, like, 105. Wonderful breezes. Left the pool, went back to the room, and like took a mean nap, like a 3-hour nap. So now we're here at Wildflower. I love Wildflower. It's just like really fresh, and I feel like I need to just like keep it simple. Keep it simple. So I got this romaine kale Caesar salad with salmon on top, and then this is salmon pasta, and this is citrus iced tea with regular lemonade, flash of blackberry orange lemonade, and it's so fire. 21. I'm still here. I'm still here, and I'm just walking around trying to find like a nice quiet spot. I just found this like beautiful area. There's like a ballroom. There's a UPS store. I just found this spa, and I took a tour, and I don't even know how we missed this like whole other side. Like there's a fountain that way, and then look at this like beautiful garden. Probably gonna like sit down there. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat some breakfast and then head out. But it's been such a beautiful stay. So beautiful. The food was so good. 10/10 recommend. I am gonna end it here, but this was fun. I miss vlogging, so we gotta do it again. See you guys next time.